Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and today I'm just warming up by the heat of the old Laura Star Plus as I open a very special, I don't even know what to call this. Is this like a big box of swag? Is this for the holidays? Because if so, yay BERNINA for celebrating Halloween with us. But anyway, you might have seen Christy and Sylvain opening this on social media. They don't really tell you really what you're getting. So you know what? You can always count on Grandma Gayle to tell you the real thing. So let's look in here, but I want to tell you something right now. I am not going to show you anything that Sylvain and Christy haven't shown you yet. So they're producing these videos and putting them out, like I think the first one was on the 3rd, then they did another one on the 6th, then they did one on the 11th, then one on the 18th. And you know what that means? I think they're releasing them by prime number. So hopefully by 2025, we'll know what's in this box, right? You know how you can also find out what's in the box? You can come into the store and have a gander. So I'm calling this the big box of BERNINA swag. And yeah, well, let's have a little look at them opening the stuff.
It's time to open one of our holiday gifts.
Awesome, let's do it.
It's a box in a box.
Ooh.
Sylvain, are you ready to see what's
Well,
inside
it says
this?
BERNINA. Feels like metal inside, like a BERNINA.
I think you might be right. Let's take a look.
Scissors. You can never have too many scissors. And the test is that schlick noise.
Yes.
And these are beautiful. These are like butter. And actually, when I teach my students this size, I tell them if I were stuck with only one pair of scissors, this would be the size.
What do these scissors look like? I don't know. I don't even... You know, whoever gets this box is going to get a good deal. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, flat metal. I like that. I think those would look super awesome in my hand. Let's see. Let's see what they look like. All right. Solid. You know, they're not too heavy. They're not too light. I think they'll cut through anything that you need. You know, I think I used to cut like bangs with some of these, but you know what? I might have to trim my eyelashes down with these, but also good for paper piecing, little small snips, embroidery, applique. You know, can't have enough scissors, right?
As I like, so it's good to have a pair of these on hand as well.
Yeah, I love them. And I love this finish on these scissors.
It's a brushed finish, right?
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
beautiful.
Pretty. And then of course it says BERNINA right on them.
There you go.
Yes.
Cool.
So everybody will know these are the BERNINA scissors. They should only be used
in the BERNINA room.
Sewing room. Exactly.
Cool. Well, I can't wait.
Yep. All right. Well, join us next time.
Oh, in the small packages, the best things, right?
Yes, absolutely. This is one of my favorite things in the holiday box.
That is a USB stick.
It's a USB stick, and it would be a great gift even if it didn't have anything on it. But it does have something on it.
What is on it?
There are 12 embroidery collections from OESD on there.
Wow. And you know, I still like a switchblade.
Wait a minute. Sylvain wanted a switchblade? All right. So here's that stick. Here's that stick they're looking at. Oh, it's a lovely stick. But did you know there's other things on the stick? Let's go put this stick in the machine and see what's happening. All right, well, there's a ton of stuff. I mean, like a ton of designs. Yes, 12 packs, but each pack has a ton of stuff. And there's quilting, there's lace, there's shadow boxes, there's all kinds of stuff. So you can see the cute little stained glass or all of these cute little things. I mean, oh my gosh, who wouldn't want to embroider these all holiday season? I mean, these, it's a lot of Christmassy stuff, but it's also really, you know, versatile. And I think that you'll love making stuff out of these things. I mean, I can't wait to make some of the stuff. And I mean, I like make this stuff all the time. So hopefully you'll enjoy this.
Yes.
Pipe stick because I've got a handle and it's substantial. You know, it's not just plastic, it's metal. So it's easy in and out. And then you can put this on your machines?
You can. It goes directly into the machine and the designs are ready for you to use right off the stick.
Well, I know one machine that will have some company around
Yes,
Christmas.
exactly. And I think the case is really nice too.
So then you can put it right back in there, nice and snug, and it's magnet closure.
Yes.
You don't have to fight with it.
And it says Bernina on the side.
Oh, there you go. I see gold.
You can't go wrong with gold, right?
No, they say diamonds are forever, but gold is for right now.
Absolutely. So let's open it up.
Oh, that's a nice tin, and I
Isn't
see
that
it's
nice?
commemorative because Bernina passed the 125 years
Yes.
a little bit ago, right?
Absolutely. So this is a celebration of that. Oh, let's open up. And there's a little letter inside.
Mm-hmm.
And in here is
A gold presser.
a gold presser foot. Let's take a look.
Ooh, the gold foot. Look at this thing. It is a foot and it's gold. And I have to tell you something. The tin is what I really want from this. But you can use this foot, I want you to know. But if you do use the foot, you have to use it at your own risk because that precious metal that's on the outside of the foot isn't as, sturdy as the other stuff. So this is like the kind of foot that, you pass around and you show your friends, but it's really more of like status symbol. And then there's a little bit of gold thread in there. So that's a cute little item. And I keep decorative pins. I keep my little precious ribbons. And, sometimes when I'm upcycling, I keep the labels out of things because I always thought, oh, I'll make a fun thing out of all the labels out of like my clothes or whatever. So, the tins are valuable. You can also hide your cookies and your meds in here.
It's actually plated in 24 karat gold.
Wow. And it's actually the real foot just plated with gold instead of the regular metal, right?
Yes, yes.
Beautiful. And so that's a collectible. And there's a special place in your sewing room because the presser foot is really what makes a Bernina special. So in gold is even better. And I see the thread here. This is metal gold thread, metallic thread, which behaves very well. It sews well. So for your holiday projects, for instance, you have something to play with.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Absolutely. And you actually can sew with this foot. So if you want to be festive, you could have it and you could sew with it, or you also could turn it into a piece of jewelry or hang it on your tree or just have it sitting out to have a little special decoration.
Beautiful.
I love it. Join us next time.
And you're probably wondering where can you possibly get this holiday box? Well, ladies and gentlemen, just hop on over to BERNINAofNaperville.com and there you can purchase your holiday box and we will ship it to you because that is how badly we want you to have this box of goodies. All right, well, that'll do it for this session of what's in the Bernina holiday box. But I have to tell you, it was a lot of fun and I can't wait to open the other things for you. Don't forget as well to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. There you can see tutorials and other fun stuff, and it's easy to get to because it's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville. Now, please go check out the Bernina USA Facebook page where you can actually see the unedited by me videos with Christy and Sylvain. They would really appreciate it. All right, well, like I said, that's it for now. So happy holidays and happy Halloween. Cheers.